Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sell crypto on WeBull. So as of right now, my WeBull portfolio isn't huge, but I just have some cryptocurrency just kind of sitting here, mostly Dogecoin, which is currently in the red. But we're going to be selling some Cardano today just to give you guys an example of how to sell crypto. While you're on your portfolio, click on the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. So I'm going to click on ADA, also known as Cardano. Click on there. Okay, at this point along the bottom, you'll have multiple options, either sell to close or buy. So I'm going to click on sell to close. Okay, I'll bring you up to the next window here. And as you can see, it is automatically defaulted to selling at a limit price. Now, I have another video talking about the difference between a market order and a limit order. But just to summarize, limit order, you basically set the price that you want to sell your cryptocurrency at. So for example, say if I've set up my order like this, my Cardano will not sell unless the price is at $2.88. So I'm basically telling the market, hey, I do not want to sell my Cardano unless it's at this exact price point. You could do that, or you could select market order. So once you select market order, you just have to determine how much of your cryptocurrency you want to sell, like how many shares. So right here, I only have like 0.9 shares of Cardano. So I'm just going to sell all of the Cardano that I have on WeBull using a market order just because it's easier and I don't have to wait for the cryptocurrency to hit the price point that I set it at. But if you did want to do a limit order, you just have to keep modifying the price. You could set it to sell at like $2.80 if you wanted to. Just hit these minus and these plus arrows if you wanted to, or you could actually tap on it and modify your limit order. So that's how you do that. But we're just going to, for this demonstration, show you guys what it looks like for a market order. So I selected market order. I'm going to sell 0.90 shares of Cardano. And right here, time in force, you only have one option, so don't really worry about that for selling cryptocurrency. So after I have my order completely set up, along the very bottom there, you see the option to sell. So click on sell. And then it just gives you a summary of your order, like, what account the cryptocurrency is under, in addition to how many shares of Cardano and the price point, whether you're doing a limit order or market price. So at this point, I'm going to confirm. And just like that, my Cardano has sold, and I could just confirm by going back and looking at my portfolio. As you can see, Cardano's gone. And that in a nutshell is how you sell cryptocurrency on WeBull. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.